Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lesleyanne here from Lesleyanne Sparkle. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and welcome back to every one of my other friends. So it's a brand new Vlogtober video today. It's going to be a bit of a homely one today. A bit eclectic, I guess. It's going to be, as I say, homely. I'm going to get the autumn decor stuff out the garage. I'm a bit late doing it, I know, but you know, we had sort of the dogs here and everything, and to be honest, the little Shih Tzus that were here, they would have just been running off with everything. So yeah, so we're a bit late for that. And of course now we've cleaned the carpets in the lounge, etc. I'm all ready to put them out, so Chris is going to get those out, and I'm just going to sort through what I'm putting out this year. I'm not going to put everything out, to be fair. What else are we going to be doing today? Oh, I've been doing some more crafting. I'll give you a sneaky peek at what I've been doing, but there will be a whole new video coming up on that particular crafting. Okay, cooking some gammon for dinner today. It's just, as I say, it's just a bit of a like a homely thing, you know. Anyway, so I've got my hair up in a little ponytail. And then I've just got this is a little Lulu Guinness scarf, which I've just decided to pop up. Pop some earrings in, popped a little bit of makeup on today. My lipstick is the 16-hour Power Stay from Avon, which if you want to have a look at the 16-hour Power Stay lipsticks, they are amazing. They stay on when you eat and drink and everything. My little Avon online shop is listed in the description box if you wanted to go over and have a look at all. What else? My hair. Now, my hair may start looking a little bit, not, well, yeah, I guess greasy, I suppose, but it's actually not. I'm having some treatment on my scalp at the moment. I've been referred to a dermatologist. It's been ongoing for a little while, but I will touch base with you over that a bit later when I know a little bit more. I've had some scrapings taken. They didn't show anything. Then I had to go down to the doctor's and have some hair pulled, like from the follicles. So I'm just waiting to find out what it is. But meanwhile, I've got this treatment that I have to put on my scalp because it's just certain areas I've got a problem with. It's not a fungus, it's not it's not dermatitis, it's not what's the other one, beginning with P, psoriasis. It's not psoriasis, it's not any of the things that you would expect it to be. They don't know what it is, that's why. Typical me, isn't it? Eh? Something else to add to the flipping list of things wrong. Anyway, let's not dwell on that. Let's get downstairs. And I have already been downstairs, made coffee and everything, came back up and decided to just bang on a little bit of makeup today. So let's go down and start this day, shall we? Right, sneaky peek. Quick. There we go. So that's my sneaky peek of the things that I've been doing. I just did them sat watching the TV, just making little scenes up, you know. I think Chris is going to have a go. Luke is going to have a go. I've ordered some more and some like acrylic pens as well, like acrylic paint but pens. Chris fancies making a chessboard, so I've done that, ordered some stuff, so we've got some more to crack on with. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. It's lovely just being creative, isn't it? Right, okay, let's crack on again. We're just gonna pop some gammon into the slow cooker. I haven't got a great big joint this time. It's just the three of us. What weight have we got here? Just over 1 kilogram. So just gonna pop it into the slow cooker, as I say, so then I can just do all the other veg later. I'm gonna do some soup for lunch today. I'm gonna make red pepper and lentil soup, if you're interested in that. I will be filming that as a separate video, but you'll be able to see what it looks like in this video. So I'm just going to pop that in, and it's just going to go onto the little doodah. I'm going to just chop a small onion up and just pop it in. I'm literally just going to halve the onion. I'm not chopping it. I'm just doing a small one just to add a little bit of, you know, flavour. Right, so that's going to pop in there now. And then I'm just going to pop some water in. I've got some water already in the kettle. I'm going to use that. And it's about halfway filled. It's about halfway up the Gammon, so not a lot of water. And then I'm going to stick in one of these. It's the Knorr ham stock cubes. One of these. So I'm just going to pop it in. And that's literally all I'm going to add to that. So I'm going to get the lid on. Right, so that's what it's just looking like in there. Okay. Right, Chris starts bringing the bits in. Look, what have we got? I don't want everything in this year. Lovely and thick that is. If you want to know which soup maker I'm using, I've actually got this one here, the Tower. Whoops, I've got the Tower one. And you can have it like chunky if you want. You don't have to have it smooth. That's a really hearty, warming meal. Let's taste it. Do you want to taste it, Chris?
No, I will taste it. Oh, it's delicious.
Is it?
Mmm.
Nice?
Yeah, and I don't think it needs any pepper or anything like that on it. No,
Okay.
it's quite spicy.
Yeah. Right then, let's go and enjoy.
That's nice.
There's my gammon there, look, out of the slow cooker, still steaming. And I'm going to just try it and see if it tastes delicious as it looks. I'm going to take that bit there. Mmm. That is superb. It's so well cooked. Lovely, isn't it? Very nice. This, my lovelies, is our Sunday dinner. So we have got gammon, I did in a slow cooker. We've got broccoli, carrots, swede, honeyed parsnip and little roast potatoes on somebody's request, Luke, and lots of lovely thick gravy. So that's Luke's, there's Chris's, and there's mine. So off to enjoy our dinner. It's now the end of the day and I'm a hot, sweaty mess. I've been very productive today, getting lots of things done. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video today. I know it's been a bit of a homely day, but that is what it always was intended to be. I will talk to you all in my next video. Stay safe, everyone. And don't forget, if you have enjoyed it, please give this video a nice big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't done already. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, my lovelies. Bye.